You have to identify posting groups when you are implementing Dynamics Business Central. When we talk about the posting groups, business posting groups, general product posting groups, then the customer posting groups, vendor posting groups, as well as the inventory posting groups. Those are the main posting groups you have to set up when you are implementing before upload master files into the system. So why we need this posting setup? Especially we need these posting groups to link GL account with the master data. Let's see what are the posting groups we have to set up. First, we have to set up business posting groups. So when it's come to business posting groups, so especially these business posting groups, we are going to set up with the customers and the vendor cards. So which means simply we say business partner information we have to set up under the business posting groups. For the example, imagine now I'm going to set up business posting groups for the customers. So in my profile, in my business, I have customers like export customers, local customers, or different kind of customers, and I have different GL account for the export customers as well as the local customers. So that kind of situation we'll have to group those business posting groups as import and the local. So let's set up like that. I have one customer called domestic, and I'll set up one as the export. Not only that, I have import vendors as well as the local vendors. So I'll keep domestic as it is, and for the import vendors, I create another business posting group as the import vendors. Right. I have done the setup, and then after that, you have to go for the customer card, and I'll go to the existing one. Right. If I go to this customer card under the invoicing, you have to select general business posting group, whether this is for the customers or this is for the vendors. So you can see the GL, the posting groups which I have set up as the export and the import are available there. So if you want to set up export GL accounts, then you'll have to select export customers. And next video, I'll show you how you have to set up those GL accounts to the general business posting groups. Right. Customer card, we'll have to set up general business posting groups. So if you are creating new vendor card, also we'll have to set up this business posting group. As I told you previously, the purpose of selecting this posting these groups to link GL account with the Mastercard. You can see here the business posting group as domestic. Then we have to select it as if you want. If you have any import vendors, so you have to select as the import vendors. Right. This is what about the vendor and the customers, the business posting groups. Then the business, sorry, general product posting groups. Another important posting groups. So if you want to link GL account with the inventory master especially, you will have to set up this general product posting groups. So you can see here I have non-tax retail services and those kind of product posting you can have if you have retail customers, if you have services, or that what kind of if you have different kind of items, so those items you can set up with different GL account. So let me show you the place you'll have to set that general business posting group. Let's go to the items. If I go to the inventory item, here you can see in the item card, here we have general product posting group. So I have this already have as a retail, or if you have services, or if you have no tax, then you can select. So again, the reason to selecting this, we need to link this GL account with the item card. That's why we are selecting. So after that, once we set up these posting groups, then we have to go for the posting setups and setup it. So I'll show you it in next video. Right, we have discussed about the general business posting groups, which related to business partners, general product posting group, which related to item setup, then the customer posting groups. Right. Customer posting groups. Reason to select the customer posting group, if you have if you want to set up different receivable account, as I told you, you can have domestic customers, you can have international customers, I mean export customers. So for those customers, if you have separate GL accounts, receivable accounts, then again you'll have to set up it as a export. In business posting setup, we want to set up this as the export to get revenue accounts, but I mean PNL account you can get from the business posting groups and the product posting groups. But when it's come to customer posting group, you will have all the customer related receivable accounts here. So that's the importance of the selecting customer posting groups. So when when you are creating customer card, so in this customer card, same as the business posting group, we have to select customer posting group as well. From the business posting group, if I go to here further, if I go to the business posting group setup, you can see all the sales account and revenue account and the purchase account have to set up under the business posting group, and all the receivable account we have to set up under the customer posting groups. And yeah, that's about the customer posting groups. Let's go to the vendor posting groups. The vendor posting groups also will have to set up payable accounts which related to vendors. It can be domestic, it can be import. So if so, you can set up relevant payable account. You will get a new video for that as well, and you'll have to go for the vendor card. Sorry, if you go to the vendor card, then again same as the customers, there is general business posting group. After that, you'll have to select relevant vendor posting groups as well. This will help you to identify link GL account, as well as if you want to have separate report related to vendor groups or whatever the information, so you can use these posting groups for the reportings. Right, we have discussed about the four posting groups. Another last important posting group is inventory posting groups. Again, inventory posting groups we are using for the link inventory account, inventory interim account, WIP account with the item card inventory. So for that we can have resale item, we have retail item, as well as the finished good item. So let's give as the FG finished good item. So this kind of items we are selecting, we are creating here as inventory posting groups to get reports as well as a link inventory account. So if I go to this setup, you can see all the inventory account we can set up. I'll give you a separate video for that as well. So let's go to the inventory card, item card. If I go to the item card, you can see in the item card we have to select general product posting group. Again, we have to set up inventory posting groups as well. Then only we can do the transaction properly. Otherwise, you must have to select these posting groups, inventory posting groups and the general product posting groups to do financial GL transaction throughout the system. So those are the main four posting groups: general business posting group, general product posting group, customer posting groups, vendor posting groups, and the inventory posting groups. Altogether five. I'm sorry, five posting groups. You have to set up for the basic company transaction. Other than that, you have to set up different posting groups for the fixed assets. If you have service cards, you have set up separate setups. So, but if you are implementing for the basic business, those five posting groups especially, again I'm reminding: general business posting group, general product posting group, customer posting groups, vendor posting groups, and the inventory posting groups. So those are the those are the important posting groups. So when we are implementing business process, first you'll have to send master files to your customer to fill and send it back to the upload. But while customers doing that master file stuff, you will have to set up general you have to set up all the posting groups in the system before upload the GL account. So keep that in your mind as well. So let's mix up with the next video regarding the GL upload. So once we GL upload only, we can go for the posting setups, which means from through the posting groups, we'll have to link those GL account. We have to select what are the GL account for the each transactions. So that posting setups, let's do in the next video, not next video, after the next video. Next video we will discuss about the GL upload options, GL upload task. After that, we can go for the posting setups. So keep in touch, guys. If you are watching on LinkedIn, come into my YouTube channel and you can see all the process step by step for the Dynamics Business Central implementation. Thank you very much, guys.